If you're anything like me, your desktop is a mess. And if so, you probably look for ways to clean it up all the time. Well, you don't have to go through and delete a whole bunch of files. There's a really simple fix, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. Hey, what's up guys? Justin Seeley here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel where I'm helping you get better as a creative professional. Each and every week I'm diving into applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Lightroom and giving you practical career advice to help you grow your creative business. Today on the channel we're going to be doing sort of a Tech Tip Tuesday, but on Wednesday. So I don't really know what that's called. But in any case, it's a really simple little tip that I've got for you on how to clean up your desktop on macOS 10 Mojave. This is a really interesting technique and something I didn't know was even in the operating system, but it has made my life so much more simple and organized. Let's check it out. Okay, if you're wondering what I was talking about when I said messy desktop, this is it. And I can't even tell you the last time I tried to organize my desktop because of this one trick. In macOS 10 Mojave, and by the way, I'm using macOS Mojave 10.14.2, and this does work in the previous versions of macOS 10 Mojave. It does not work in previous versions of macOS, so like High Sierra and that kind of thing. So you have to have macOS 10 Mojave. It is very simple. All you have to do is right click in a clean portion of the desktop and choose Use Stacks. Automatically, all your files on the desktop will be grouped into categories like documents, images, music, movies, presentations, etc. Your folders will stay out as individual pieces, so you can still get into those folders, but for the most part, this is a great way for organizing all of those stray documents and files that you might have scattered all over the desktop. So if you're anything like me, you're a little bit scatterbrained, you don't know where everything is, this is a great way to put it all in one centralized location and keep your desktop looking just a little bit more presentable. All right, as you can see, that really saves a lot of space on the desktop, huh? I love stacks in macOS 10 Mojave, and I think you're gonna love them too. If you like this video, guys, please add a like to it and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Also, if there's anything you wanna see here on the YouTube channel, drop me a comment below. Be happy to try to work that into my future content plans. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a single video that I produce. And that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Is your desktop a mess like your personal life? I'm filming that? Oh, shh. I feel so warm in the warm light that is shining upon my face.
Man, I tell you, this YouTubing is fun.